In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 tips to make perfect Japanese rice. Some of my guests told me they tried sushi back home, but it didn't turn out right because they failed in rice. To make good sushi, you need to have good rice. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you 3 tips for perfectly fluffy and soft Japanese rice that you can eat as is, and also you can use it for sushi. So let's get started with tip number 1. Tip number 1. Get white rice and store it right. To cook good sushi, it's very important that you have white rice. So get good quality, short grain sticky rice that looks like this. It might be called sushi rice in your country, and there is one thing I'd like to tell you about sushi rice. The rice sold as sushi rice in your country, it's just the rice for us. It's for everything, not only for sushi. It's for everything, everyday rice that you can eat as is. What we call sushi rice is mixture of cooked rice and sushi vinegar. And I will make a video on sushi rice, what we call sushi rice, when I feel like it. But in this video, let's just focus on rice. When you look for rice, if available, get the one called koshihikari rice. Koshihikari is the most popular cultivar in Japan, and nearly 40% of rice produced and sold in Japan is koshihikari. So it's highly possible the rice you had in Japan at buffet-style breakfast or in a combo meal for lunch, for example, was koshihikari. Other than koshihikari, there are so many different cultivar of rice in Japan. My favorites are koshihikari, akitakomachi, tsugaru roman, sasanishiki, and hitomebore. I normally get whichever the cheapest when I go to grocery store, but every cultivar has its own character. One is slightly sweeter than the other, or one is slightly softer than the other. When I look at Amazon US, apparently koshihikari is the only cultivar available there. So, if possible, get it. It's more expensive than the other so-called sushi rice, but it is worth trying. So, get koshihikari rice. Once you get white rice, you need to store it right. In Japan, we cook and eat rice almost every day, so we use it up quickly. So people normally store it room temperature, but some people sensitive about the quality of rice, keep it in fridge. So if you're keeping rice longer than 1 month, I recommend you to keep it in fridge, sealed tight. So this is tip number 1, get white rice and store it right. Now it's time to cook rice. Before you cook rice, you need to rinse rice 3 or 4 times to rinse off rice brown powder that is still on the rice after polished. Today I'm cooking 5 cups of rice, which I measured in this bowl already. So let's start rinsing. Add some water, cold water, stir gently, drain, and repeat this 3 or 4 times. After rinsing, drain rice well and put it in a pot. I use Japanese cast iron rice pot in my cooking class, but here in my home kitchen, I use this French cast iron pot Le Peruse. Cast iron pot is considered very good to cook rice because it's thick and heavy, and so it seals well. So you can keep the temperature and the pressure while rice is being cooked. But any pot will do. When I'm using this pot to cook something else, I just use normal pot like this one. Any pot will do. So let's put this rice in this pot here. Just like this. And in here, I'm adding 5 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1-to-1 in Japan. I have 5 cups of rice in here today, so I'm adding 5 cups of water. Using the same measuring cup that I used to measure rice, let's add 5 cups of water. 5 cups of water. And here is the tip number 2. Soak rice in this water more than half an hour. This is allowing enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's just like cooking dried beans. You sometimes soak dried beans in water, sometimes overnight. Same idea. Soak rice in this water more than half an hour. Put the lid on. Leave it here with the heat off and soak the rice in the water more than half an hour. So now, rice has been soaked in water half an hour, so it's time to cook it. It's induction heater here, but gas stove or electronic stove, any stove will do. And high heat at first until it comes to boil. So let's turn the heat on and wait until it comes to boil. It has been cooked about 10 minutes and now you can see it's boiling. You can hear it and you can see it boiling. Bubbles coming out from the pot. And when it comes to boil like this, turn the heat to low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. It's always 12 minutes, no matter how many cups you're cooking. 2 cups, 12 minutes. 5 cups, 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Start. The rice has been cooked for 12 minutes over low heat, so it's time to turn the heat off. Off. You may think your rice is ready here, but it is not. Here is the tip number 3. Steam rice with heat off with lid on for at least 10 minutes. And steaming is a very important process for perfect Japanese rice, and you cannot skip it. So the tip number 3 is steam the rice for at least 10 minutes with the heat off. Now, the rice has been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's check how it's doing. Spatula. Looking good and smelling good too. Before you serve rice, you need to fluff it like this. Make sure you don't mash it. Serve it in your rice bowl. And your rice is good to go. Lastly, I have one extra tip on how to keep cooked rice. When you want to eat rice every day, but you don't want to cook rice every day, you probably cook large amount of rice on the weekend, have some for the day, and keep the rest for the rest of the week. I'm going to show you how. You're making packs of 1 serving. And here, it's very important to do it while rice is still steaming hot. You want to wrap rice and steam together so the rice is not dried out when you want to eat it later on. Let me demonstrate. Prepare some cling film. I'm making 4 packs, so I need 4 cling film. On the counter. 3. 1 serving of rice in a bowl like this. The size of the bowl depends on how much you want to eat at a time. It can be smaller if you're eating less, it can be bigger if you're eating more. So put some rice in a bowl like this, flip it over on the cling film. And the rest. Over and wrap it up try to make them into this kind of square-ish shape. It doesn't have to be perfect square-ish, because when they get room temperature, I want to keep them in the basket like this. And when it's square, it can sit well in a basket like this. So that's why I try to make them square-ish. But these are not room temperature yet, so let's take them out. So here I have some cups of rice, room temperature already. I could see it's early this morning. So let's put them in a basket like this. And when these newly cooked ones are room temperature, you put them behind them. When you want to eat rice, you take this one in front, up, and you eat it. And push the rest forward. You always keep the newly cooked one behind. This way, you can make sure your rice is always rotating, so there isn't any dried out, forgotten rice at the back of your fridge. Okay, so this is everything for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye!